Good day, everyone. This is Major Amit again, and this is the seventh video in a series of videos called Leadership Masterclass, where I talk about critical skills which make the difference between good and great leadership. In today's video, we're going to dive into the concept of creating a performance culture within your team and organization. Over 3 decades of having worked in large, mid-sized, and startup organizations, I've helped leaders, CEOs, and entrepreneurs deal with this very challenge in their organizations and teams. And you can hire the best of resources, but the real challenge is to inculcate a performance culture among the rank and file. So, if you're looking to boost your team's productivity and and achieve outstanding results, you are in the right place. A performance culture isn't just about pushing for results, it's about building an environment where high standards, accountability, and continuous improvement are the norms. Over the next few minutes, we'll explore key elements of performance culture, and I will provide you with actionable strategies to implement within your team. Now, let's get started. The first key element is creating a performance culture is to set clear expectations. Now, without clarity, your team won't know what success looks like or how to achieve it. Start with establishing clear, measurable goals. These goals should be aligned with the overall objective of your team or organization and should follow SMART framework: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. When goals are clearly defined, your team members can focus their effort and understand how their work contributes to the bigger picture. Trust me, people want to know how their work is contributing to the overall goal of the team or organization, and this motivates them to do more. But while setting goals is about the what am I supposed to do, alignment with the team or organization's values establishes how am I required to achieve these goals? What kind of behaviors am I required to exhibit while achieving these goals? So it's also crucial to establish and communicate core values that reflect the standards you expect from your team. Values like accountability, innovation, mutual respect, collaboration should be at the heart of how your team operates. Um, these values guide behavior and decision making, help to create cohesive and high performing team culture. Once expectations are clear, the next key element is to foster motivation, engagement, and collaboration within your team. Now, motivation is the key that drives performance, right? It's important to understand what truly motivates your team members. You all understand that there are essentially two types of motivation: intrinsic or internal, and extrinsic or external. Now, while extrinsic motivation like bonuses, rewards, salary increments has its place, intrinsic motivation or internal motivation is where the magic happens. Now, intrinsic motivation comes from within. It is when team members are passionate about their work, feel a sense of purpose, and see the impact they're making to the overall team or company's objectives. Now, to tap into this, make sure that you align tasks with your team members' strengths and interests. Give them autonomy and ownership over their work. People are often intrinsically motivated when they face tasks that are challenging yet attainable. Now, these tasks provide a sense of accomplishments and mastery when completed, which fuels further motivation. When people feel trusted and empowered, they're more likely to go above and beyond, right? In addition to motivation, fostering a collaborative environment is also key. Encourage teamwork and open communication. Communicate opportunities for your team to work together on projects, share ideas, and support each other. A collaborative culture not only enhances engagement but also drives innovation and performance. In current scenario where hybrid working is almost a norm, implement tools like shared workspaces, project management software, and communication platforms that facilitate real-time collaboration, making it easier for team members to work together even remotely. Along with individual recognition and rewards, recognize and celebrate teams' collaborative efforts. Acknowledge how working together led to success, which reinforces the importance of collaboration again. Next key element is feedback, and this is a critical component of performance culture. It helps guide your team, keeps them on track, and fosters continuous improvement. But feedback isn't something that should be given only during annual reviews, right? It should be ongoing. Regular check ins are essential, whether weekly or bi weekly. These meetings provide an opportunity to discuss progress, address challenges, and adjust goals if necessary. When giving feedback, focus on specific behaviors and outcomes rather than making it personal or general. Be constructive and offers actionable solutions that can help your team members improve. And we will talk about more about giving and receiving feedback in coming video. It is also important to create a culture where feedback is two-way. Encourage your team to provide feedback to you and to each other. This creates an environment of trust and openness where everyone is committed to learning and growing together. And then comes recognizing and rewarding achievements. Recognition plays a powerful role in reinforcing a performance culture. When achievements are recognized and celebrated, it boosts morale and motivates your team to keep performing to their best. A word of caution here though. Recognition and reward should be basis data, facts and figures and never perception. Right? If done basis perception, it may have the opposite result. It may demotivate instead of desired motivation. Now, recognizing achievements doesn't have to be elaborate. A simple shout out in a meeting, a personalized note, or a small reward can go a long way. The key is to be consistent and sincere in your recognition. Linking performance to tangible rewards is also important, whether it's through bonuses, promotions, or professional development opportunities. Showing that hard work is recognized and rewarded reinforces the behavior you want to see more of. This creates a positive cycle where performance is continuously evaluated. Next, to maintain high performance culture, continuous learning and development is very crucial. The business landscape is constantly changing and more so today than any other time in the past. And your team needs to be adaptable and ready to take on new challenges. Invest in your team's growth by providing access to training, workshop, and learning opportunities. Motivate them by coaching and mentoring. Encourage them to pursue new skills and stay updated with industry trends. When team members get opportunities to learn, they bring fresh ideas and perceptions that can drive performance to new heights. Fostering a growth mindset within your team is equally important. Encourage them to see challenges and opportunities to learn and improve. When mistakes happen, use them as learning experiences rather than failure. A team that's always growing and improving is a team that will consistently perform at its best. Now, creating a performance culture is about more than just achieving goals. It's about building an environment where your team is motivated, engaged, and committed to continuous improvement. By setting clear expectations, fostering motivation, providing continuous feedback, and recognizing achievements and learning, you can create a culture where high performance is the norm. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights on leadership and team management. And remember, great performance starts with great culture. Keep striving to build a team that not only meets expectations but exceeds them. And I look forward to your comments in the comment section below. Thank you.